Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 78 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heel, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. Him and Jacinta will both answer the questions. Some are funny, some are weird, some are things we never knew. So we read all the questions, take those, and put them here for you. So on today's episode, we're talking about plastic straws on the ship. No. Personal blenders, scissors, 2 different spending accounts for 1 room, and who's my cruise director? Okay, question 1. This cruiser wanted to know, where do the plastic straws that people bring on board end up? Surely not in the ocean, they hoped. And John said, of course not. They are separated from the rest of the garbage, as they have to do with all the different types of plastic for recycling reasons. That said, on a personal note, don't bring the plastic straws. Get the silicone ones. They are so much easier, they're flexible, they roll up, and you ain't gotta worry about killing turtles and birds and stuff like that. Just use the silicone ones. I want to use the stainless ones. Those things make me nervous. You fall down and go, ah! Never mind. Question 2. This cruiser is hoping for clarification on a matter that came up with their own personal blender that was confiscated in Long Beach. They felt confident that would be allowed and they could use it for their protein and supplement shakes as it's powered by a USB cable. John apologized that they didn't make it clear enough on their website. They're not allowed, and it's now on their prohibited list. So yeah, no blenders. Just, I don't know, go see the chef and see if they can blend up the shake for you. Or they make those little ones that's got a little, like a wire ball in there in a cup, and you shake it and it mixes everything up. I've seen Liz use those a couple of times actually. Question 3. This cruiser had a question for their mother-in-law. I guess they're asking on behalf of their mother-in-law. Clarify that. They require scissors for their medical supplies. So I was wondering if they can bring them, and if so, where's the best place to pack them, luggage or carry-on? And if she's not able to bring them, where can they get some on board? John said you can bring a small nail scissor or a round-edged scissor. If by chance it is confiscated, she can ask guest services and they can see if they can borrow one there. And if not, the medical center will have them as well. Definitely put it in your carry-on though, because if they see that in the luggage, they're more likely to take it. So yeah, do it in your carry-on. Question 3, the cruiser and their adult son cruising with them and staying in their cabin. They wanted to know if they can set up 2 different spending accounts so they can have their own. John said, yes, indeed you can. You can either do that during the check-in online process or guest services after boarding the ship. So it's a great idea because you gotta give the kid a little bit of money, but you don't want to be racking up that room charge. Well, you said adult son. Still kids. They do silly stuff. So yeah, you can definitely set up 2 different spending accounts for 1 cabin. Last question. This cruiser wanted to know, who is the cruise director that would be on their cruise in March on the celebration, since Lee Mason just got promoted. Congratulations, Lee. Well-deserved position, by the way. Cruised with you many of a time. John shared the cruise director schedule, which will be in the link below in the description. It's a live document, and things are ever changing. You know, some people have to get off the ship, get back on the ship. People get promoted, so ever changing. The link will be in the description. Click on that and see who your CD is going to be. That was episode 78 of Yakety-Yak. Thanks for watching. Please take care.